One of my needles has a bent latch, so it's no longer knitting correctly, and I need to replace it, so let's make a video about how to do this. First, we need to remove the sponge bar, which is this piece. It goes all along the bed of the machine and should stick out from both ends. I usually use a screwdriver for this and just push until it starts to come out. You can see how far along it's been pushed out because the needles are no longer held down. We should just be able to pull from the other end. Watch the needles as I do this, and only pull it out as far as you need to get to the needle that you're replacing. All right, there's the one I'm replacing. Now, get the replacement needles. My replacement needle, I got a pack of new ones. Then we're gonna pull the bad one out. So pull it all the way forward, and then the back of it will tip out, and then push it back, and kind of like bend it up and get it through. You wanna close the latch and pull it through. And then you should just toss these because they're not worth trying to fix. They're too brittle. And then we got the new one. And it goes into the slot where the old one was. Push it all the way through, bring it forward all the way, and then push it down and back. And the butt of the needle should be up at the same height as the other ones. And now it's time to put the sponge bar back in. These needles are held up and these ones are down. These ones are under the sponge bar. You can see the edge of it here, and these ones, there's no sponge bar here. So we need to hold these down and push the sponge bar back in. And just keep moving your hand and holding them down. You'll probably get grease on your hand, but that's okay. And keep going. And you're good. You want it to pop out the other side a little bit, not stick out too far. It'll get in the way of your extensions for your lace carriage. And we have a new needle and it all works.